somebody asked me about sickle cells. So all sickle cells is, okay, every cell in your body, you have 150 trillion cells inside of your body. Your cells is supposed to be shaped like a hexagram or a hexahedron or an octagram. All right, it's either got 8 sides to them or 6. Usually they're 6 because that's what a carbon strand is. So what happens to a sickle cell is a sickle cell lacks oxygen and carbohydrates to connect to the cell. So it looks like a sickle. It's broke off. Each cell is broke off. Well, the reason why it's broke off is because it's missing iron phosphate. You see that? So that's why people that have sickle cell is anemic. That's why it's called sickle cell anemia, right? That's the same look, and it's the same thing as chronic sickle cells. So what basically all you have to do is supply the body with iron phosphate. Iron phosphate is the only electric magnetic mineral that's in your body, period. It's iron. That's the only thing that grabs toxins and actually move oxygen throughout the bloodstream. So what you do if you have okay, I answered that question too, Jose. So what you do if you have sickle cell anemia, now remember, your cells deplete themselves and renew themselves every couple of hours. As I'm talking to y'all, like I said in the last video, if I talk to y'all for a whole hour, I done lost 30,000 cells within my serotonin in my stomach. That then went out and recycled back. So your cells lose their cells and replenish themselves and regenerate themselves every 30 days. All I have to do is once all your sickle cells leave, I got to change your diet and get more oxygen and iron phosphate back to your body. That way, when the cells are regenerated inside your body, they're not sickles no more because they have the iron phosphate component attached to them. Boom, that solved that problem. We make this stuff hard. I'm telling you. See how simple that was? I can act like a pharmaceutical doctor and give you all the scientific meanings, but it's all bull crap.